What's up, guys? So, I just want to give you a bit of a demonstration of me cleaning a really dirty white garage door. Just something to listen to in the background. So, how we're going to do this, I'm first going to give it basically, you want to rinse it down, work a bit of chemical on it, and then just rinse off. Boom, you've just made what you'd make a day in an office. What you would make for a day's work in an office, you can make, that kind of matter of hours. A job like this, I'm actually going quite slow here. If I really wanted to get it done, I could probably do it in a third of the time, to be honest. You see that muck coming up. That's a good job. Really needed this. That's not bad, you can actually see. It's a bit far away, but you can see that green gunk going up and down. So this is my fifth year at a clear cleaning solution. That's that's a good chemical. It's called Ubic 2000, and that, to be honest, that was already watered down. But a wee bit extra. Very liquid. Nothing wrong with that. Don't think. Hopefully that won't do any chemicals. Don't mix your chemicals. Don't do what I do. But this thing took about 8 minutes altogether. You have to excuse my poor audio. This is the first real YouTube video. I've always loved watching YouTube. Thought to myself, hey, I can record doing what I do. And it can be somewhat satisfying. If I can get good at editing and a bit better at filming, that sort of thing. Better speaking. Yeah, I'm sure. Sure, with a bit of practice, all that'll come. Yeah, especially those corners are so bad. So I started doing these sort of things just before COVID, so a good 5 years deep. And I generally don't do wee jobs like this. Maybe at least 90% of my work is people on my window clinging around. So I don't know if this is normal in other parts of the world, but here in Ireland and the UK, it's quite normal to have a monthly window clinger, or someone who comes every 2 months. It just people like to keep on top of their houses. It's a part of the world where things would get grimy if you left it too long. One less job to do for the usually for the for fellas. These poles are great. I don't bring ladders out with me at all. The way I see it, I'll never fall off a ladder because I'll never be up one. It's not coming out with me. It's an 18-foot pole, but I've got another couple of sections that could easily be put on. I think that could be like a 26-foot pole. I think something like that. But I don't bring those sections out with me all the time. I want to use the length that I need. That's because it's carbon fibre. It's very light. I can work. like this for about 6 hours before I get a bit tired. And it's I work 5 days a week. Yeah, no, it is. That's coming up really well. This is the bit where you can really start seeing the nice whiteness come through. It's almost like the benefit you get out of this sort of thing, and it's almost like getting a wall painted perfectly. It comes up the crop. Today is Saturday. I'm doing actually dung right. So bad. I've got these like reverse osmosis vessels that I use I did use for the window thing, and I've got so many of them. So it's like 150 quid worth of shit. And I can't find anyone to take them, and they're taking up space in my house. Want my space back. So another big dump on today. If you want to know anything about window cleaning or what I do, feel free to get in touch. It's not rocket science, but you can waste a lot of money on shit you don't need, and that's really hitting home at the minute because I'm doing this dumper on oh my goodness, hundreds and hundreds of quid worth of stuff I'm dumping. Horrible. And good stuff too. But you're living there now. You're nearly done. Piece of moss. Nearly there. Yeah, I heard people keep on just speaking of for full videos. Like, I really do appreciate it now. Fuck, I'm bored. I want to be a YouTuber, but this is actually a bit sickening. But look at what we did here. Look at that. Great job. Beautiful. Sis.